Okay?
Yes.
Wala naman. Ayun. Okay, okay. So we look for the circle valid. Oh, this one class. Identify. Ano siya? Those are your filiform. Okay? Filiform. Ginugulo mo yan. Pasyang ice cream, no? These are your circumvalid. They are the largest of your lingual papilla. Last, the white ones there inside are your taste buds. Okay? So, siguro naman ang papakita lang namin dito, taste buds. Yan. Those are your taste buds, the white part. Still, stratified squamous, non-keratinized epithelium with taste buds. So, these are called your circumvalid lingual papilla. Okay? O, Mr. Magaja, identify. Ano yan? What is the structure of the pointer? Lymphatic nodule. Okay? Wala lang. Kung anong katanungin. Now, this one, on the other hand, is your yan, o, lymphatic nodule.
Filiform.
Wala akong makitang fungiform. Pero class, siguro na we will just show you, I promise, okay? Ako nagpa-promise. We'll just show you this one, the circumvalid. Kitang-kita niyo naman, di ba? So with this, identify the organ. Yun lang, okay? Pagka nilagay namin dito, next week, let's say, if I put it here, identify the structure of the pointer, specific structure.
Taste
buds. The whole structure is called circumvalid lingual papilla. Okay? Ayan, no, look at that. That is your fungiform. Constricted base, wide ang surface niya. Okay? The stratified squamous, non-keratinized epithelium with, ay, walang taste bud. No? Sorry. Again. Cancel. Wag na lang. Masyado pang complicated. Wag na lang. So I will just, I taught you today the filiform. This one is circumvalid, and this one is the filiform. Yung medyo parang meron yung spike. Okay? They're the most numerous and they're conical in shape. Yun lang. May request? Review daw natin yung salivary glands? Tama ba?
Yes.
Okay.